Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete recent post in WordPress. So if you want to delete your recent post in WordPress, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So for you to be able to delete your recent post, you have to click on the page. Once you click on the page, then you have the list of the page that are available on your website. So for you to be able to delete a particular post, you have to tap on a particular page for you to be able to delete a recent or deleted post. So currently on this unfinished website, I actually have about just three pages. Here's the page, and the page. So I want to delete or probably remove a post from the second page, which is about. So I just click on the page. Then I'll just give the server a few seconds to switch from the normal home page to editor's page. So currently the editor's page is currently loading right now. Server's kind of done a little. Okay, good. So currently this is the about page. So for me to be able to delete this, I have to tap on the block, then tap on this three dot icon at the top, then scroll down to the bottom, then tap on delete, and that's how you can see the delete button is the post is gone, and that is how you can delete post in WordPress. If you find this helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.